Raindrops falling from the sky, pitter-patter, hear them sigh. Clouds rolling dark and gray, it's a rainy day, let's dance and play. Rainy day, oh so fine, splashing in puddles, rain or shine, with boots on our feet and umbrellas high. Underneath the clouds we'll reach the sky. Thunder rumbles, lightning flashes bright, but we're not afraid. With all our might we'll build a fort with blankets and chairs in our cozy hideout without any cares. In the rain, nature comes alive, with frogs croaking and birds taking a dive. The world's a canvas washed clean and new. On this rainy day there's so much to do, so let's embrace the rain with open arms. With giggles and laughter we'll chase its charms. On this rainy day let's